The new year is the perfect time to focus on your health, and if getting fit is one of your resolutions, then this video is for you. The truth is that you don't need intense workouts or a gym membership to stay active. An exercise bike makes it easy to move more, burn calories, and build healthy habits from your own place. So in this video, I'm going over the 8 best exercise bikes for any age. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking for a simple way to stay consistent with your New Year's goals, there's an exercise bike here that can help you stay active all year long. You'll find links to the best prices for all the exercise bikes mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these exercise bikes aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 8 is the Marcy Recumbent ME709. This is the most budget-friendly exercise bike on our list. If you're trying to move more without hurting your knees or back, this bike makes it a lot easier. It has a step-through design, and getting on and off feels easy. The frame is made from thick steel, so it feels solid once it's set up. You're going to have 8 magnetic resistance levels controlled by a simple knob. Just turn it to make pedaling easier or harder, like riding on flat roads or small hills. It's quiet too, which is great if you're biking late at night or while watching TV. The seat is wide, padded, and also has a backrest, so you're sitting comfortably instead of leaning forward. And the pedals are weighted and come with adjustable straps to keep your feet in place. Up front, there's a big LCD screen that shows time, speed, distance, and calories in large numbers that are easy to read. Overall, this bike covers comfort, basic tracking, and steady cardio without asking you to spend a lot. Number 7 is the Echelon Connect EX8S. This is the best smart connected exercise bike on our list. This one is made for people who want a full gym vibe at home without piecing things together. The first thing you notice is the huge 24-inch HD touchscreen. It's bright, clear, and it flips around, so you can follow workouts even when you step off the bike. That makes workouts feel more interactive. Now you're going to have 32 magnetic resistance levels, so changes feel smooth and quiet. Plus, there are LED lights on the flywheel that change based on how hard you're riding, which helps you stay locked in without staring at numbers all the time. And as for the comfort, it has thoughtful details. The seat and handlebars adjust easily. The bike fits riders from about 4 feet 9 inches to 6 feet 5 inches, and it supports up to 300 pounds. The pedals work with cycling shoes or regular sneakers, so you don't have to purchase anything extra. You're also going to have dumbbell holders, dual water bottle holders, and a USB port to keep your device charged. It comes with a free 30-day Echelon Fit membership, which gives you access to thousands of live and on-demand classes other than cycling. Overall, if you want a truly connected, high-end exercise bike that brings the full gym class experience into your home, the Echelon Connect EX8S is hard to beat. Number 6 is the Desk Cycle Underdesk Exerciser. This is the best underdesk pedal exerciser on our list. This one is made for those moments when you're stuck sitting at work, but still want to move a little. You can slide it under your desk, put your feet in, and start pedaling while working, reading, or watching a show. And it doesn't have a big setup either. Just attach the legs and it's ready. It has 8 resistance levels and goes harder than you'd expect for something this small. The flywheel is designed to feel smooth, so it feels more like real cycling. It's also very quiet, which is huge if you're on calls or working late at night. The height is also adjustable from about 9 to 10 inches, so it fits under most desks, even lower ones. The pedals have straps to keep your feet steady, and everything feels solid thanks to the steel build. There's a small LCD screen you can pop off that shows time, distance, speed, and calories, just enough to track progress without overthinking. Overall, this is an underdesk bike that makes staying lightly active feel easy instead of forced. Number 5 is the Schwinn Airdyne Bike Series. This is the best Airdyne bike on our list. This is a bike you hop on when you want a real workout without overthinking about the settings. There are no buttons for resistance. The harder you pedal, the harder it gets. And that's the whole idea of this bike. This bike uses wind resistance, so there's no limit. An easy pace feels calm, and pushing hard gets intense quickly. It runs on a quiet belt drive, so it feels smooth and doesn't sound rough or grindy. The big fan in the front pulls air toward you, which helps keep you cool while riding. And the pedals balance themselves and have straps, so your feet stay locked in even when things speed up. On top, there's a simple console with the rev meter resolutions per minute gauge. It shows speed, time, distance, and calories, which is perfect for interval workouts without staring at a complicated screen. And as for the comfort goes, it's solid too. The seat adjusts for height and position, and the frame feels stable when you're pushing hard. Overall, if you want a no-nonsense exercise bike that delivers a tough, scalable workout and can take years of heavy use, the Schwinn Airdyne bike series is a rock-solid choice. And if you want to know the latest prices for the exercise bikes discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Schwinn 290 Recumbent bike. This is the best recumbent bike on our list. This one is all about comfort with smart features to keep things interesting. I like that it's a recumbent bike, so you're sitting back with support instead of leaning forward. That makes longer rides feel way easier on your back and knees. You're going to have a 7-inch LCD screen that shows your stats like time, distance, calories, and heart rate. It also comes with 13 built-in workout programs, so you're not stuck doing the same ride every day. The bike has Bluetooth too, which lets it connect to Schwinn's JRNY app. You'll get 2 months of the JRNY mobile-only membership for free, and with that, you can follow trainer-led workouts or ride through over 200 virtual courses, and with auto resistance, you don't have to keep adjusting things yourself. Plus, you're going to have a padded seat, the pedals are easy to reach, and the step-through design helps you get on and off without awkward moves. It also has transport wheels, so moving it around isn't a hassle. Overall, this bike stands out because it blends comfort, guided workouts, and smart resistance in a setup that feels easy to live with. Number 3 is the Schwinn Fitness IC Indoor Cycling Bike Series. This is the best connected spin bike without a screen on our list. If you like using your own phone or tablet and don't want a big screen locked to the bike, this one makes sense. It works with Peloton and Zwift, so you just clip in, open your app, and ride your way. The ride itself feels smooth and quiet due to magnetic resistance and a heavy flywheel. You'll have 100 tiny resistance levels, so it's easy to dial things up or down without big jumps. The pedals are dual-sided too, and with SPD clips on one side and toe cages on the other, it's great if more than one person uses the bike. Now, you're also going to have a small backlit LCD that shows speed, time, distance, calories, heart rate, and RPMs. Plus, there's a tablet holder, water bottle holder, USB charging port, and even light dumbbells tucked in front. Overall, this bike is all about smooth riding, strong app support, and freedom to train your way without paying extra for a built-in screen. Number 2 is the Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike. This is the best spin bike for the money on our list. This one is for people who want a solid workout bike without spending a fortune. It's simple, sturdy, and made for everyday home use. The frame of this bike is heavy steel, and the 40-pound flywheel helps keep rides smooth and steady, even when you push harder. It uses quiet magnetic resistance, so you can ride early in the morning or late at night without bothering anyone. And the resistance goes high enough to feel challenging, but it's easy to control with the front knob. And if you need to stop fast, just press it down, and the bike stops right away. The seat is also padded and adjusts 4 ways, and the handlebars adjust too. Plus, there's a basic LCD screen that tracks time, speed, distance, and calories. You also get a tablet holder, water bottle holder, transport wheels, and Bluetooth support for fitness apps and riding courses. It supports up to 300 pounds, which is great at this price. Overall, this bike is a great choice if you want strong value and quiet rides without paying premium prices. Number 1 is the Nordic Track X24 bike. This is the best overall exercise bike on our list. This bike feels like it's trying to bring the outdoors inside your room. What stands out in this bike is the incline and decline feature. It goes up to a steep climb and even down into a downhill ride, which you don't see on most bikes. That alone makes workouts feel more real and less boring. You're also going to have a 24-inch HD touchscreen that swivels. The screen also lets you stream shows and music if you have the iFit Pro membership, and it has full resistance with 24 levels. It adjusts automatically during workouts if you want. The bike uses a smooth, quiet belt drive, so it doesn't sound like a machine fighting back, and the pedals are dual-sided so you can clip in or ride with regular shoes. It's solid and stable, supports up to 350 pounds, and even includes small dumbbells, a fan, USB-C charging, and water bottle holders. And it also syncs with apps like Strava and Garmin. Overall, this bike is a great choice if you want one machine that does almost everything and keeps workouts feeling fresh. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect exercise bike. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each exercise bike. Thanks for watching, and